You are going to love the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.